Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Shukra, and as you guys can see from the title of this video, this is going to be a Louis Vuitton unboxing. So let's get into it. Alright, so picked up a new bag from Louis Vuitton. So let's get into it and see exactly what I picked up. Alright, so first thing in the box, in the bag, I have basically, I think my invoice, my receipt is what this is. Yeah, invoice, receipt. And then let's take it out. Okay, this is the box. Let's unbox it. Okay, the string is off. Try to guess what bag I picked up. Okay, let's get into it. Open it up like this. Here we are. And this bag was open a little, so maybe you guys saw a glimpse of it already. It looks just like this. Any guesses? Any guesses? Any guesses? 1, 2, 3. Look at this. Look, so pretty. Oh my goodness. So it's like regular monogram, and then on top it's the reverse monogram, and then it has like black leather, and then the tag is black as well. So cute. And then you can open it up. So inside we have the chain for the long handle. Looks just like this. So I'll just clip it to the sides. Yeah, okay. Maybe I won't clip it to the sides. It doesn't want to go right now. And then I'm guessing this is the lock. Yes, the LV lock right here. So picked this up. Inside it just says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy, and then just putting that back right in there. And then let me close this up. And this is my new bag. Let me tell you guys the name. I don't want to butcher anything, so this is the Vanity PM. So it has monogram and then also reverse monogram. So pick this up, and it's so cute. I know I did another Louis Vuitton unboxing, and it was a bag kind of similar to this, but the shape was round. So I think I'm going to get rid of that one since I have this one, because they're very similar. It's just the shapes are different. That one's more like, you know, round, and this one is like, you know, a little bit more boxy. And I think I prefer this one. I think that's why I kind of picked this up instead. And I like the vanity style of it, and I love the top handle, and I love the fact that it comes with a strap as well. So cute. This is the bottom. The bottom is in reverse monogram as well. So cute. And then it's gold, and then I'm guessing the keys to the lock are in here. Yeah. If it will come out. I'm not trying to, yeah. The keys to the lock that I showed you guys are right there. Did you guys see it? Right here. So, what do you guys think of my new bag from LV? And since I'm going to be selling the other one, I don't know if anyone's interested. Message me, leave a comment down below. we could talk. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get rid of that one because they're too similar for me to have them both functioning in my closet. So, and I really do believe I prefer this one, and I just love this. This is gonna be so cute. This, yeah, I feel like I'm gonna be attached to this right here. And then of course with the LV monogram, it is like a neutral, so I can wear this with pretty much like anything I want, which is great. The size, this is the PM, so it's not too big, but it's not too small either. Inside, I'm so sorry. I'm kind of getting over a sore throat and a cough, so sorry. But yeah, so inside it's looked pretty spacious, so I'm pretty sure I'll be able to, you know, carry a good amount of stuff. And then also with that other bag too, I think the shape, because it was a circle, it kind of made it difficult for me to put things inside. Like I have that as like an issue with the bag, with just putting things in. Oh, and there's like a little compartment, like side back pocket. But yeah, I think that's one of the things with those bags too, with that bag, that's kind of like pushing me off a little bit. But yeah, inside it's pretty nice and spacious. Looks like I have some tags here from Louis Vuitton, Vanity PM. I guess this is like a QR code or something. So yes, I am excited to rock this bag. And like, it's like, you know, kind of soft, but still sturdy at the same time. And I'm so excited. Let me know what you guys think of this bag. Do you guys like it? I like it. I feel like I'll be able to wear it really well with a lot of, you know, pieces in my closet already, and wear it throughout the year. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Leave your comments down below on whether or not, you know, you like the bag, and maybe you already have the bag. So let me know, is it a plus from you, or did you have issues with this bag? As always, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If this is your first time watching, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and come back for more videos. And also please make sure to hit the like button as well. Bye.